Salesforce is a powerful tool for customer relationship management, or CRM, and if you're wondering how to use Salesforce for CRM, this video will give you a quick explanation of how it works and why it's one of the best choices for businesses. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how to get Salesforce for free with some exclusive bonuses. First off, Salesforce helps you manage your relationships with customers by organizing and automating tasks. You can track customer interactions, manage sales pipelines, and keep all customer information in one easy-to-access place. The key here is that Salesforce centralizes everything, making your sales and support teams more efficient. Next thing, Salesforce's user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to see the health of your business at a glance. You get customizable views of your leads, opportunities, and current sales data. This means no more wasting time searching for information. Everything you need to make decisions is right in front of you. The third thing to note is how Salesforce automates repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up workflows to follow up with leads or send reminders for scheduled calls. Automation ensures you're always on top of customer interactions without having to manually track each one. Now, the fourth thing is Salesforce's robust reporting tools. You can create detailed reports and dashboards to analyze your customer data. Whether you want to track sales performance, customer satisfaction, or team productivity, Salesforce gives you the insights you need to make smarter decisions. The fifth thing is Salesforce's flexibility. It offers a wide range of apps and integrations with other tools you may already be using, like email platforms, marketing automation tools, and financial systems. This makes it adaptable to your specific business needs. Finally, Salesforce also includes mobile access, meaning you can manage customer relationships on the go. Whether you're traveling or working remotely, you'll have access to all the CRM data you need to stay connected with your clients. If you're thinking this sounds great, but want to give it a try first, I've got a special offer for you. You can get access to Salesforce completely free, plus some extra bonuses, by checking out the first link in the description below. To recap, Salesforce is an all-in-one CRM platform that streamlines customer management, automates tasks, provides powerful analytics, and integrates with other tools you use. Plus, with our exclusive extended free trial, you can see how it can benefit your business risk-free. Don't miss out on this offer. That's it for this quick overview on how to use Salesforce for CRM. Make sure to check out the free trial link in the description to get started today.